Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. In today's challenge, we're gonna solve the problem about triangle judgment. We have a table triangle with 3 columns x, y, and z, and we need to report for every 3 line segments whether they can form a triangle. To solve this problem, we rely on the triangle inequality theorem. This theorem states that for any 3 side lengths to form a triangle, the sum of any 2 sides must be strictly greater than the 3rd side. In the output, we add a column called triangle with no or yes values. In SQL, we write a select statement, we display x, y, and z, and we're gonna create a new column that we will calculate with the case statement. Here we will write the condition that must be true. And if it is true, then we write yes, else we write no. This new column should be called triangle. So what is the condition? We need to write here 3 calculations. X plus y greater than z and x plus z greater than y and y plus z greater than x. If all 3 conditions are true, we write the value yes under the column triangle. Let's run the query. We successfully solved this problem in SQL. Let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we check the triangle inequality theorem for each row. First, we need to write the 3 calculations that should be true. We calculate if x plus y greater than z and we need the same condition, but we will change the columns. And x plus z greater than y, and the 3rd calculation is y plus z greater than x. We will save this into condition. And now we assign yes where condition is true, otherwise no. So we use NumPy where function. We take the condition, and if it's true, we assign yes, otherwise we assign no. These yes or no values should be stored in a new column called triangle. So we create a new column called triangle. And we are ready to return the table. Let's run the code. We successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? SQL case statement or defining the condition together with NumPy where function in Python Pandas? Let me know in the comments.